In today's video, I am going to show you what kind of footwear and bags you can carry with your Navratri outfits. I will show you some beautiful accessories which you can buy online, so it is easy for you to purchase. All the links for the products which I show you will be in the description box below. Click them and buy them easily. These accessories are a must, so let me show you some beautiful accessories which are easy to wear and carry for your dandiya nights or celebrations with family and friends. Without any further delay, let's get into the video.
Let's not worry about our mobile phone or basic makeup essentials while dancing. So carry some bag which has lot of embroidery which goes well with your outfit and has a sling so that you can wear it as a crossbody or hang it on your wrist. Comfort comes first when you are picking out your footwear. Go for embroidered sandals, mojuris or kolapuris which will match with your outfit. They will definitely look good on your feet and dance the whole night without any worry.
What kind of bags or footwear are you thinking to wear for this Navratri? Let me know that in the comments below, and let me know which one is your favorite from the collection which I have shown you right now. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon for future video notifications. You can follow me on all these social media links on the screen right now. Until next time, bye.